Just me, Joe.
Good morning, teacher, and all my classmates.
Morning.
Now, first, may I introduce myself? My name is Nang Lao. I'm coming from Japan, Horizon State. Now I'm gonna talk about Buddha story. The title is The Cleaning Woman. A woman is very work hard to clean the street, and her clothes is dirty and very bad smell. And other people saw her, they run away from her. But when the Buddha saw her, the Buddha talked to her nicely. They were surprised. They asked the Buddha, "You asked us to be clean. Why you talking to dirty women, smell women?" And then the Buddha reminded them, although she's that smell, she's dirty, but her mind is clean and she's polite. Some people are wearing clean clothes, but their mind full of bad thoughts. Having clean mind is more important than wearing clean clothes, clean mind. That I learned from this story. Even we can't buy clean clothes and we can't wear clean clothes like other people. We don't need to feel upset and we should have clean mind. Thank you for paying attention to me.